Good morning, 5th class children. We are discussing metric measures chapter now. In that, length, weight is completed, children. Now today, we are going to learn capacity. Look here, children. Capacity means the amount that something can hold. The amount that something can hold is called capacity. Common units used to measure capacity are kiloliters, liters and milliliters. Liquids, basically liquids are used to measure capacity, children. The standard unit for capacity is liter. Here are three measurements, children. One is kiloliters, liters and milliliters. In these three, liters are the basic units to measure capacity. Next, kiloliter. Kiloliters are write like KL, short form. More than a liter. To measure more than a liter, we use kiloliters. And to measure large capacities, liter. Liter short form L. Basic unit of capacity. Liters are basic unit of capacity. To measure medium capacities. Next, milliliter. ml is the short form. Less than a liter. Milliliter is less than a liter. To measure smaller capacities. Okay, children? Open your course book, children, page number 40. The remaining we will discuss in the book. Open page number 40, children. Look here. We know that the common units used to measure capacity are kiloliters, liters and milliliters. The standard unit for capacity is liter. Let us recall the concept of measuring capacity. Can you guess and write the capacities of the following containers? Look here, water tanker can hold how many? How many liters? Liters or kiloliters? Water tanker can hold kiloliters. Next, jar. It can hold liters. Cup, milliliters. Glass, milliliters. Water tin, liters. Okay? Remember that the unit used to measure depends on the capacity of the container. The unit used to measure depends on the capacity of the container. The container can hold how many liters or how much quantity of the liquid. We use kiloliter, KL, that is more than a liter, to measure larger capacities. I already explained on the board, children. We use liter, L, that is basic unit of capacity, to measure medium capacities. We use milliliter, ml, that is less than a liter. Milliliters are less than liter, to measure smaller capacities. All of you are aware that the basic unit of capacity is liter. The basic unit of capacity is liters. Standard units of capacity and relation between them is 1 liter is equal to 100 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Then 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Now come to the next page, children. Look here, children. Here is an information. An oil merchant supplies cooking oil in 15 liters, 5 liters, 2 liters, 1 liter and 500 milliliter packets. He supplies oil to 5 sweet shops in the following quantities during a week. A oil merchant can supply oil in a week like 15 liters, 5 liters, 2 liters, 1 liter and 500 milliliter packets. Look here, Lakshmi Sweets, Sri Krishna Sweets, Anjali Sweets, Vishwanath Sweets, Abhinav Sweets. So for Lakshmi Sweets, he supplies 15 liters tin, 5 liters, 2 liter, 1 liter. Sri Krishna Sweets, 5 liters, 2 liters, 5 liters, 500 milliliters. Anjali Sweets, 15 liters, 2 liter, 1 liter. Vishwanath Sweets, 15 liter, 5 liter and 1 liter packet. Abhinav Sweets, 5 liter, 2 liter, 2 liter, 2 liter and 500 milliliters. So here add all the oil, children, quantity of the oil. 15 liters plus 5 liter, 20 liter. 20 liters plus 2 liter, 22 liters. 22 plus 1, 23 liters. Next here, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 liters, 500 milliliters. Next, Anjali Sweets, 15 liters plus 2 liters, 17. 17 plus 1, 18 liters. Vishwanath Sweets, 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 liter. Abhinav Sweets, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 liters, 500 milliliters. Here is a question, children. Look. Now, arrange the names of the sweet shops in the order of the number of liters of oil purchased from the lowest to the highest. So, you have to arrange these lowest to highest. Which is the lowest quantity here? 11 liters 500 ml. Next, 12 liters 500 ml. Next, 18 liters, 21 liters, 23 liters. So 11 liters 500 ml. Which shop? Abhinav Sweets. Next, 12 liters 500 ml. Sri Krishna Sweets. 18 liters Anjali Sweets. Next, 21 liters Vishwanath Sweets. 23 liters Lakshmi Sweets. And some more questions are there, children. Look. What is the total amount of oil purchased by Vishwanath Sweets and Abhinav Sweets together? So total together means you should do addition. So the total amount of oil purchased together is equal to, what is the quantity of Vishwanath Sweets? 21 liters plus what is the quantity of Abhinav Sweets? 11 liters 500 ml. So 21 plus 11, 32 liters 500 ml. Next, how much oil was purchased by all the 5 shops together? The total amount of oil purchased, 5 shops, 11 liter 500 ml, 12 liters 500 ml, 18 liters, 21 liters, 23 liters. So total 86 liters. If each liter of oil costs 73, how much amount will the oil merchant get in a week from all the 5 sweet shops together? So cost of 1 liter 73 rupees. Total quantity of oil supplied in a week 86 liters. So therefore the total amount the oil merchant will get 86 into 73. How much? 6,278. Okay, come to the next page, children. Somu milks his 8 cows and sells the milk every day. He measures the milk with the following measuring jugs. Milk can be measured in milliliters and liters with such jugs. So look here, this is 100 ml jug, 250 ml, 500 ml, 1000 ml. 1000 ml means how much, children? 1 liter. 1000 ml means 1 liter. Now how many times does Somu need to use his 1000 ml container to measure 26 liter of milk? 1000 ml means 1 liter. So 26 liters, to measure 26 liters, how many times he need to use this 1 liter jug? 26 times. Next question. How many 500 ml jugs of milk make 43 liters of milk? So 86 500 ml jugs make 43 liters. Why? Because in 1 liter there are 2 500 mls. There are 2 500 mls. So he want to measure 43 liters. So multiply 43 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 86 jugs he used. Next one. How many times is the 250 ml jug used to measure 32 liter of milk? In 1 liter there are 4 250 mls. 4 250 mls. Okay. In 1000 how many 250s are there, children? 4 250s. So in 1 liter there are 4 250 mls. So he want to measure 32 milliliters, 32 liters. So multiply 32 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 128 times he will use the 250 ml jug. Okay, children. Next, how many times should a 100 ml jug be used to measure 20 liter of milk? In 1 liter means 1000 milliliters. In 1000 how many hundreds are there, children? 10 hundreds. So here he want to measure 20 liters. So 1 liter contains 100 ml. So 20 liters contain 20 into 10, 200 times he will use 100 ml jug. Okay. Next, if Somu measured 7 times with 1 liter jug, 1 time with 500 ml jug and 3 times with 100 ml jug, how much quantity of milk did he measure in total? So look here, Somu measured first measurement. How many times? 7 times 1 liter. 7 into 1, 7 liter. Second measurement, 1 time 500 ml. 1 into 500 ml, 500 ml. Third measurement 3 times 100 ml. So 3 into 100, 300 ml. So totally 7 liters, 500 ml plus 300 ml, 800 ml. 7 liter, 800 ml. He measured total quantity of milk. Next, if Somu sells 176 liter of milk daily at 48 rupees a liter. So what is the cost of liter, children? 48 rupees. How many liters of milk he sell? 176 liters. How much money will he earn in a day? So cost of a 1 liter milk, 48 rupees. Quantity of milk sold in a day, 176 liters. Amount of earning per a day, 48 into 176. So multiply 176 with 48, children, then you will get this answer. 8,448 rupees. Next, if Somu wants to earn 9,504 rupees per day, at what cost should he sell the milk per liter? So every day he sold 176 liters of milk. So the quantity of milk that could be sold, 176 liters. Amount of money that has to be earned, 9,504. So here you have to find out one thing cost, 1 liter cost. So many thing is given, you want to find out one thing. So here you have to do division. 9504 divided by 176. So do division here, then you will get this answer 54. Come to the next page. Vamsi's parents bought different varieties of soft drinks for his birthday party. The details of the soft drinks they bought are given in the table below. So soft drink name, capacity, number of bottles, cost per liter. Sprite 1 liter 750 ml bottle. Bottles, how many bottles? 2 bottles. What is the cost of 1 liter? 40 rupees. Coca-Cola 1 liter 500 ml, 4 bottles. What is the cost of 1 liter bottle? 40 rupees. Mirinda 2 liters 500 ml. How many bottles? 3 bottles. What is the cost of 1 liter? 50 rupees. Look here. How many liters of Mirinda did Vamsi's parents buy? How many liters? Totally. This is each bottle capacity. 2 liters 500 ml capacity this. How many bottles? 3 bottles. So number of Mirinda bottles bought 3. Capacity of each bottle 2 liter 500 ml. So the total quantity of Mirinda bottles bought 3 into 2 liters 500 ml. 3 into 2 liters plus 3 into 500 ml. 3 2s are 6 liters. 3 5s are 15. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. 1500 ml. So here 1500 ml means 1 liter 500 ml. So 6 liters plus 1 liter 7 liters. 7 liter 500 ml quantity of Mirinda bought. Next, how much did 1 bottle of Mirinda cost? Cost of Mirinda per liter, how much? 50 rupees. What is the quantity of each bottle, capacity of each bottle? 2 liters 500 ml. So the cost of 1 liter Mirinda is 50 rupees. Now the cost of 2 liters Mirinda, 2 into 50, 100 rupees. And 500 ml means half liter. So 1 liter is 50, half liter 50 divided by 2 means 25. So totally 100 plus 25, 125 rupees. Next one. How much money did Vamsi's parents spend for soft drinks? The cost of a Sprite bottle is 70 rupees and Coca-Cola bottle is 60 rupees. So the total cost of Sprite, how many bottles? 2 bottles. 2 into 70, 140. Cost of Mirinda, 3 into 125, 375. Total cost of Coca-Cola, 4 into 60, 240. Totally they spent 755 rupees for soft drinks. Okay children. So the explanation for course book is completed children. Now in the next video we will discuss about workbook for capacity concept children.